In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Pipedrive.crm. By the end, your Gmail will have a Pipedrive panel right inside your inbox, so you can see deal and contact details without switching tabs. First, open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the Google account you actually use for work. It's worth double-checking the profile photo in the top right to confirm you're in the right inbox. If your company manages your Google account, you might need permission to install add-ons, so keep that in mind as we go. Next, look at the right-hand sidebar in Gmail. You'll usually see icons like Calendar, Keep, and Tasks stacked vertically. If you don't see that panel, look for a small arrow at the bottom right to show the side panel. Click the plus icon in that sidebar. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where we'll add Pipedrive to Gmail. In the Marketplace search bar, type Pipedrive CRM. You're looking for the official Pipedrive add-on. Open it, then click Install. Google will prompt you to choose your account and review permissions. Read the prompts and continue to allow access. This is necessary so the add-on can display Pipedrive data next to your emails. If your organization restricts app installs, you may see an option to request approval. Go ahead and submit that if needed and continue once access is granted. When installation completes, go back to Gmail. You should now see a Pipedrive icon in the right-hand sidebar. Click it to open the Pipedrive panel. The first time you do this, it'll ask you to sign in. Log in to your Pipedrive account and follow the on-screen authorization steps so Gmail and Pipedrive can communicate. If you have multiple Pipedrive accounts or companies, make sure you pick the correct one for your work and confirm any access prompts to finish connecting. That's it. Your Gmail is now connected to Pipedrive through the add-on. From here, when you open an email, the Pipedrive panel on the right can show you matching contacts, organizations, and deals. You can quickly add a new contact or link an email to an existing deal without leaving your inbox. If the panel doesn't appear right away, try refreshing Gmail and checking the sidebar again. And if you accidentally use the wrong Google account during install, you can remove the add-on from the marketplace and repeat these steps with the correct account. With this setup, you'll save time, keep deals updated, and make your inbox a more powerful part of your sales workflow.